Imagi Meira has issued a call to the 50 MLAs in Manipur, urging them to convene an emergency session of the State Assembly to discuss and find a resolution to the escalating crisis. In a press meet held today at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club, Imagi Meira convener T.H. Sujata appealed to the MLAs, asserting that the public would rally behind their leadership if they take a united stance to address the unrest. She stated that the mistrust between communities led to a major driver of the current turmoil and maintained that the recent mob attacks on MLA's residences is a manifestation of widespread public dissatisfaction. However, Sujata acknowledged the claims made by people from various constituencies that their MLAs have been working tirelessly for the welfare of the people. Sujata also urged against submission of multiple fragmented memorandums by small groups of individuals and called for a unified approach. She also expressed confidence that collective voice from the legislative body would compel the central government to take immediate action. Sujata further appealed to the authorities to refrain from arresting or filing FIRs against those involved in vandalizing MLA's residences.
MLA sindo amutang minister sindo assembly pagtang pusan minaseba ay kendra ki MLA yaroeba ay kendra ki minister yaroeba leibak ki ne na kar ki bane moido kendra khatang ki wakhal do la agati akhoi ka mana leibak sa kan duino ba ay MLA minister do hairaga amutang sin importance woman seba pulang pham seba koi ma manaraga no makata one day da pamina seba adu ki thabok to longna seba adu dinatre amana to manam taw chaw manam taw sina ne mi no sitri se center na ko ne center di haiba akhu silang nam akhoi na ne ba akhoi kitang di usilang se ke dor ge mi onda kari ki damak pulang pham ka pulang decision no haiba se gam da bi se kari ki no ba to khai adu tara ka ni praja tara ka ni yengna ba ka ne ba khoi masenda masi to hum seba nampa na parti kanana tahan bano taseng na phami ba sarkar da laiba MLA minister sing da tahan bani praja ki mara leite praja di mosne de hujisu akhoi mai kai mari chat pa ya da bani na ne tambang ngam de hayeng kari ora kadam no koi khangba ngam ba nate ngasi taruk si ge bodo hayeng tara sir pa suyai ai nung da tholok pa suyai wa gi nung da tholok pa suyai si su praja koi na khanma ma thok dai kan se bal ma MLA pham thadu holoi si minister pham thadu holoi kem kai de ba tawda bu moi gi tawbom to pa thok dam do tawrok ta ba sire gi ni me amna adu ko khung thang dai do adu bu ngasi hai ba nu mi sire gi lawra se ba koi to holla se ba moi ma tho changal la se moi assembly da madu gi thong na do koi amtang di puna mang na chen mi na se hai ba potu ne ba